Hi, Ghost. Hello. Hi, B. Hi.
Hello? How about
Duh. Huh? Wait, what?
How about
So-
now?
That's better.
Okay. I just had to increase the mic volume a little.
Do it a little more.
Do a little bit more.
Hello? Is this better?
That's better, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
This
good.
piano is so loud. Don't say. Don't say.
Sorry, sorry.
Just leave. Just leave. Just leave. Just leave.
Where's she at?
Don't say.
Oh, where's this girl at?
Don't say.
Dude.
Don't say. Hello. Don't say.
I put the fun dips on the couch, by the way.
Okay. Wait. I just choked on my fun dip stick.
Oh, dude.
Uh oh.
Can you guys remind me not to cuss in this game?
Oh, that.
Thank you.
Uh-oh.
I already got a warning.
You already have a warning.
No, it's just
Bad.
a reminder.
Bad boy.
No, because I said the...
Bad. Bad boy.
On accident.
Oh.
We're talking in game, don't say I'm gonna deafen.
Wait, and
Hello?
I think I got banned. Is it here?
Don't say
Are
it.
you stuck in game now? I don't see it anymore.
She said she thinks she got
Okay.
banned.
Just for a while, I
Oh,
She
haven't
got banned.
seen it anymore.
Oh, she got banned, bro.
She said for a while she hasn't seen it.
It's not showing here.
When you
It's
get
not
banned
showing
in
up.
Chat, bro.
That's why Jay was saying in Blade Ball that everyone was like talking, and I couldn't hear it.
Oh, how the heck
You have
did
to
you
go
get
to my
banned?
settings. I don't know. It's not here anymore. Usually there's like a
What did
little
she even
microphone at
say?
the bottom, but I haven't used it
Bad
in a while.
girl. Bad girl.
She
Hey,
said it that way.
hey. How do I fix it?
I would just.
Here.
Am I loud enough in game?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe it is
Oh.
really quick. Maybe I can check my settings.
Bro, if this girl does not join me, bro.
Just leave. Just leave. Just leave.
Help!
She's not even in here.
Help!
Bitch, leave.
Help! Oh no! Oh no! Get me out! Get me out! Get me out! It trapped me in there. It took the little thing away. I couldn't click it. It said no, you stay in.
I clicked it.
Don't say.
It's so funny.
Yeah, I'm
coming
trying
back?
to fix it. I'm trying to fix it right
Yeah,
now.
she's trying to see if she can like make it turn back on.
Okay.
Help, help.
Help! Clip it. I need it.
I did.
Help!
I'm cracking up, bro.